Setting up a traditional security camera is not easy. The worst part is you have to charge the battery every 3 months. The battery always runs out of juice when you need it most. Introducing iCube, solar-powered security camera. Thanks to solar technology and energy-saving technology, iCube will keep on working forever without needing to be charged. No worries about the sunset or rainy days, or even snowy days. iCube has 3000 mAh battery built in. You can put it on your backyard or baby room, even pet room. With a 10-meter infrared detection system and notify you of any activity, through the application you can share video footage to family or friends and playback recordings. And it's very important to keep safe outside. iCube allowing you to recharge your phone or another device like Osmo or your Bluetooth speaker. Now we need your help to take this product to market. Back us today.
Hi, we're Roadie Design, a small British furniture design company. We're excited to bring you the new Vlegs, stylish modular legs that let you create your own DIY table or desk. We have launched this Indiegogo campaign to help people adapt to working from home in style. With statistics showing that nearly 40% of people are currently working from home and 81% expect to be working from home part-time after COVID, we felt it was the perfect time to bring our product to you. Our V-legs easily screw into any new or reclaimed flat wooden surface, giving you the freedom to create your perfect desk or table for your home or your office. Sustainable living is becoming increasingly popular, and the desire for affordable upcycled products has never been higher, which is why we are proud that our V-legs are on average 70% cheaper than most others on the market. Having a dedicated workspace where you feel comfortable helps increase productivity and keep you focused. This does not have to be a closed-off office or break the bank. Our product is powder-coated and can even be used outside, so why not create your dream garden table ready for those summer barbecues? We have also worked on some new colour options for the bold and beautiful among you, which can be purchased through our campaign as well. As part of the V range, we are offering these sturdy hooks and shelf brackets. The tapered shape of the hooks give a unique silhouette and style, and the shelf brackets have a clean, modern feel, both keeping in tune with the upcycling concept. All of our products come with screws and wall plugs. Check out the perks for more details. We have sold a test run of the V range online and received amazing feedback. With the funds raised from the campaign, we are looking to place a larger bulk order with our factory. We are now live with our Indiegogo campaign, so sign up now to receive your early bird discount. Go create. Many thanks, the Roadie Design team.
Playing music is all about exploring possibilities. Roadie III is all about making that experience effortless and endless. Roadie III helps you find your sound fast. High-speed tuning, next-gen vibration detection, and enhanced accuracy keep your tunings dead on. Be free to explore alternate tunings easily using Roadie III's intuitive navigation and ample storage space for over 100 presets. Tune almost anything with geared pegs using Roadie III's compact new design that fits comfortably in your hand, pocket, or kit bag. See your options clearly and make quick selections easy with Roadie III's full-color, high-resolution screen. This is big stuff in a small package. Restring and tune in one step, then feel the beat using Roadie III's vibrating metronome mode. Your musical world is full of possibilities. Bring your Roadie and play on.
Inspired by the inputs from mechanical keyboard communities, epomaker GK68XS is ready to make its debut. It's fully customizable, even for the spacebar. The spacebar can be customized as a single bar or a three-way split spacebar to increase speed, ease of pressing, and feel. It's compact yet powerful. As a 65% layout, it's born to free up your desk space and boost your productivity with all essential keys. The GK68XS is hot swappable, so you can simply switch out the switches without any soldering. Gatoron switches and Cherry MX switches are both available. Cherry blue, brown, red, or black switches. You pick what you like. Being fully compatible with every operating system, you can easily switch from your laptop, smartphones, MacBook, and iPhone with just the flip of a switch. Make your keyboard your way. The GK68XS also features RGB lighting with 16.8 million LED colors, rhythm, and sound lighting combinations, with additional key programming and macro creation for 3 definable layers. Designed for versatility, the GK68XS can connect via Bluetooth or with the included Type-C USB cable. It is built with a solid CNC aluminum frame to ensure stability, which is specifically designed with a low profile for easy use, even without any wrist pads. Combining quality construction, premium components, and a comprehensive set of features for an uncompromised typing experience, the GK68XS is a perfect fit for every desk.